On. The owl is on the box. In front of. The owl is in front of the box. Beside. The owl is beside the box. Between. The owl is between the boxes. Above. The owl is flying above the box. Under. The owl is under the box. Behind. The owl is behind the box. Inside. The owl is inside the box. Through. The owl went through the block. Below. The ball is below the box. Near. The owl is near the box. Far. The owl is far from the box. Among. The owl is among his friends. Into. The mouse is going into the box. Out of. The mouse is going out of the box. Around. The owl is flying around the box. Across. The owl walked across the bench. Up. The owl went up the hills. Down. The ball rolled down the slope. Towards. The dog is running towards the box.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you next time.